Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the condenser fan motor in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, raise both front leveling legs. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Reach in and push the condenser fan blade off of the motor shaft. Using a 5/16" wrench, unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the fan motor from the mounting bracket. Depress the tab to disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the old motor. Install the new condenser fan motor by first connecting the wire connector. Align the motor on the bracket and thread the mounting screws. Align the fan blade on the motor shaft, then push until the blade is fully seated. You may need to readjust the mounting bracket after installation. Reinstall the access panel. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the front leveling legs. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.